Rivers of Tamil Nadu are its lifeline. Though it has many rivers, the rivers of Kaveri, Palar, Ponnayar, Vaigai, and Tamaravarani are the notable ones. Most of the rivers of Tamil Nadu originate from Western Ghats and flow towards the east and drain into Bay of Bengal. All the rivers of the state are non-perennial except Tamaravarani. It is perennial as it is fed by both southwest and northeast monsoon wind. Kaveri. The river Kaveri originates at Talakaveri in Brahmagiri hills of Kudagu districts of Karnataka in Western Ghats. Total length of Kaveri river is 805 kilometers. About 416 kilometers of its course falls in Tamil Nadu. It serves as boundary between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu for a distance of 64 kilometers. It forms Hokenakal waterfalls in Dharmaburi district's Mettur Dam, also called at the Stanley Reservoir, is located across this river in Salem district. A tributary called Bhavani joins Kaveri on the right bank of about 45 km from Mettur Reservoir. Thereafter, it takes easterly course to enter into plains of Tamil Nadu. Two more tributaries, Noyal and Amaravati, confluence the river on the right bank at Tirumukkudal, 10 km from Karur. The river is wider in this region, where it is called Agandra Kaveri. In Tiruchirappalli district, the river branches into two parts. The northern branch is called Kolirun, Kollidam, and the southern branch remains Kaveri. From here, the Kaveri Delta Basin, after flowing for about 16 km, the two branches join again to form Srirangam Island. The Grand Anaikut, also called Kallanai, was built across the river Kaveri. After Kallanai, the river breaks into large number of distributaries and forms a network all over the delta. The network of distributaries within the delta of Kaveri in the Ghost is called as Garden of Southern India. It merges into Bay of Bengal to the south of Kadalur. Palar. The Palar River rises beyond Talakavara village in Kolar districts in Karnataka. The Palar drains an area of 17,871 square kilometers, out of which nearly 57% lies in Tamil Nadu, and the rest of the state of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Ponnai, Gaudiniya Nadi, Malatar, Seyyar, and Killiyar are its major tributaries. Its total length is 348 km, out of which 222 km of its course falls in Tamil Nadu. It flows through the districts of Vellore and Kanchipuram before entering into Bay of Bengal near Kuvattur. Ten Pennayar, or we can say Ten Ponnayar. It originates from eastern slopes of Nandidurga hills in eastern Karnataka. It drains an area of 16,019 square kilometers, of which nearly 77% lies in Tamil Nadu. It flows for a distance of 247 kilometers in southeasterly directions in the districts of Krishnagiri, Dharmaburi, Vellore, Tiruvannamalai, Kadalur, and Viluppuram. It branches into two, Gedilam and the Ponnayar, near Tirukoyilur Anaikut. Gedilam joins the Bay of Bengal near Kadalur, and Ponnayar near in the Union Territory of Puducherry. Chinnar, Markanda Nadi, Vaniyar, and Pambar are its tributaries. Heavy rains at the river sources cause sudden but short-lived floods. The river is extensively dammed for irrigation especially in Tamil Nadu. There are reservoirs at Krishnagiri and Sattanur across this river. The Ponnayar is considered sacred by Hindus and festivals are held during the Tamil month of Thai. The next Vaigai. Vaigai river rises from the eastern slopes of Varsanadu hills of Western Ghats of Tamil Nadu. It drains an area of 7,741 square kilometer, which lies entirely in the states of Tamil Nadu. It flows through the districts of Madurai, Sivagangai and Ramanathapuram. Its length is 258 km. It discharges its water into Ramnad Big Tank and some other small tanks. The surplus water from the tanks is finally discharged into Park Strait near Ramanathapuram. Thamirabarani. The name is interpreted as Thamiram, which means copper, and Varuni, which means streams of river. The water of this river gives a copper-like appearance due to the presence of dissolved suspended red soil. It originates from a peak in Podigai hills of the Western Ghats above Pavanasam in the Ambasapatram Taluk. The origin of the river is associated with sage Agasthyar. It courses through the districts of Tirunelveli and Thoothukudi and finally flow into the Bay of Bengal near Punnaikayal in Thoothukudi districts. Karayar, Servalar, Manimuttar, Gadanadi, Pachayar, Chittar and Ramanadi are its main tributaries. It is only perennial rivers in South India. The major waterfalls in Tamil Nadu. The waterfalls Hokenakal in Tharmavuri districts, Kalyana Tirtham and Kutralam in Tirunelveli districts, Kumbakarai and Suruli in Theni district, Agaya Gangai in Namakkal district, Catherine and Paikara in Nilgiri districts, Kiliyur in Salem district, Ayyanar in Virudhunagar districts, Vaidehi, Sengupadi, Siruvani and Kovai Kutralam in Coimbatore district, Tirumurti in Tirupur district, Tiruparapu, Kalikesam, Ulakai and Vattaparai in Kanyakumari districts. Do you know Bamban, Hare, Kurusadai, Nalladhanithivu, Pullivasal, Srirangam, Upputhanni Island grounds, Kattupalli Islands, Gubil Island and Vivekananda Rock Memorial are major islands of Tamil Nadu.